Number 5 here, we are going to be multiplying the polynomial by using the area model. This is going to be part 1. The first one here is we have a, which is 2 terms here, going to be multiplied by another 2 terms. So that's going to be a 2 by 2 shape that we are going to be using. Right here, now we put in the terms. We have the h here, which is going to be the first part, and then we have the minus 8. Okay, that's the minus 8. Just bring this down a little bit more. Then there's the h. So what's going on the top? It is the first term. Then we have the second term here, which is 8, and the minus 9 here for the second term. Now we can just multiply. Right? H times h is h squared. H times negative 8 is negative 8h. Negative 9 times h is negative 9h. Negative 9 times 8, it is a positive 72. Okay, there are some like terms here. These two are like terms here, so we can add them together. That becomes a negative 17h. Everything else remains the same, h squared, and the plus 72. So the final answer is h squared minus 17h plus 72. Next, here we have question B. We have 2 terms times 2 terms, so the shape is going to be a 2 by 2 here. Let's fill in the values. 3k is the first, and the minus 1, it is the second term. That goes left to right. And then the 4k, and then the plus 9, that it goes up and down. All right, so now we can combine. 4k times 3k becomes 12k. 4k times negative 1 is negative 4k. 3k times 9, it is a 27k. And 9 times negative 1, it is negative 9. All right, and then these here are like terms. So 27k plus negative 4k becomes 23k. Right? Then you have 12k here plus 23k minus 9. Next, here we have a 2 terms times another 2 terms. So that is going to be a 2 by 2 shape. Let's fill in the values. We have 5g plus 3. Then you have a g. And then a plus 8. All right. So let's multiply. G times 5g becomes 5g squared. G times 3 is 3g. 5g times 8, it is a 40g. 8 times 3, it is a 24. The diagonals are always like terms, 3g and 4g. That gets you 43g. Bring everything else down, 5g squared plus 43g plus 24. That would be the final answer. All right, that is just going to be part 1.